Hello everybody, my name is Kraska. I'm 52 years old and I'm from Germany. I came to the Medical Center here in Thessaloniki for a rather insignificant routine checkup. The urologist in charge at that very day was Dr. Lambanaris, and he examined me and found a positive result at the digital examination. Given the family history and circumstances, he recommended to have a check also on the PSA value, which I had never done before. This value was a little bit increased, but with all the circumstances at hand, enough to be recommended to undergo a prostate biopsy. The international department of the clinic scheduled everything for that, and a month later we met again, and Dr. Lambanaris carried out the biopsy, and the result unfortunately showed on one side of my prostate a Gleason score of 3+4, and I was recommended to consider a total removal of my prostate. This, of course, was quite a shocking and terrifying news, and in this situation, first I didn't know really what to do. I took the biopsy core samples because I wanted to seek a second expert opinion, and I brought that to a prostate center in Germany where the samples were re-evaluated and checked, and all the findings and results that I heard here in Thessaloniki were fully confirmed 100%. Also, the same recommendation for the surgery was given to me in Germany. I was looking around for alternative treatments. I talked to radiologists as well. But after a month or so, I came to the conclusion to go for the surgery, and I decided to have it done here in Thessaloniki because I saw upon my first admission the professionalism and the diligence of everybody working here in this hospital. I felt confident and I found trust in the skills of the people working here, and also because of my working circumstances, that I'm nearby working in this area, it was more convenient for me for any possible post-surgical re-check-up. So we decided for the surgery, and the International Patients Department had everything perfectly arranged with my insurance company. When I came to the hospital upon my admission day, everything was set up just fine and perfectly. On a Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock, the surgery started. I was told it lasted about 2 hours. The very next day, had my first steps walking around in the patient's ward, and the day after that I got dressed, went downstairs and enjoyed a cappuccino in the spring sun of Greece again. I was just amazed how quickly I recovered after this major surgery. I couldn't believe how quickly I got back to my feet. Although I would have wished that I would have had never come to this hospital for getting a surgery, it was a blessing in disguise that I found this clinic here, a decision I do not regret, and I'm very grateful and thankful for the very perfect treatment I got here.
My name is Dr. Apostolos Lambanaris. I'm a urologist here in the Balkan Medical Center. I'm specialized in Germany in robotic surgery. Here we have a patient, Mr. Kraska. He had accidental, let's say, diagnosis of prostate cancer. After we performed the biopsy, I explained him his options. I also told him that which centers are the best in Europe. And Mr. Kraska, he decided to come with us. Everything is fine. As you can see, the patient, this is 6 days after his surgery. He doesn't have a catheter. He is complete continent and in a very good shape. It's very important for us here in the Balkan Medical Center that Mr. Kraska decided to come here, because it shows that he could have gone anywhere he wanted in Europe, but he decided to come here, so that shows the quality of the work we're doing here. Not only doctors, but also our international patient section. the team from Mrs. Dubali. They're doing a great job because the surgery is only one part of the whole thing. This is a team thing, and it's not only about surgery, it's about keeping the patient satisfied, organizing everything, and they're doing a perfect job. So we're very happy that Mr. Kraska is doing well, and he came here like Mr. Kraska, he's going like a friend, Ralph.